Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Supernova. And as I said from my previous vlog that I will not buy a Chinese model kits, but still I was really poisoned on buying Chinese kits because they're really nice, to be honest. They are improving and keeps on improving. That's what I can comment about. So what I have here is a Supernova kit, partial Emperor, which really a big guy here. It's really a big kit and somehow heavy. And even though this is heavy, this is really cheap. It only cost me 1,700 pesos, about more or less, something like that. And I bought it from NeoHobs. Thank you, NeoHobs, for selling this kit to me at an affordable price. So let's begin. Let's check this kit out and let's see what this big guy here from Supernova, Martial Emperor, has to offer us. The box of Martial Emperor is really big and glossy. I can see my reflection there. You can see me waving there. I'm wearing yellow shirt, and the background music is Britney Spears. Someone is singing Britney Spears from my neighbor because there's a birthday party there. Anyway, fuck that birthday. We can see here it's from Supernova, so it's an SNAA kit. This is a 1/100 scale kit. Even though this is a 1/100 scale, I saw some reviews that this is bigger than your average 1/100 scale Gundam Master Grade kit. So the side of the box, we can see the front view and the rear view. I can see here this Mecha here looks like a Chinese warrior. It's a typical Chinese warrior. Yep. There's this two blades here, the wushu blade, something like that. And there's this lion mane, beam lion mane like hair protruding from the head of the kit, which really reminds me somehow of Gao. Yep, that's how I can describe the head of this kit. Looks like Gao. But if you attach the backpack, this will be really humongous. This is really big. So there we can see some accessories for this kit. We got two kinds of backpack. The winged one, where you can attach these two rifles, this funny looking rifles, and this circular one, it looks like an aura for God Gundam, where you can attach this uniquely looking or bizarre looking fin funnels. And we have two style for facial expression of this kit. The one with the gold accents on the face, and the one without. And yep, it really looks awesome. The face really looks awesome with this beam mane available. So there's nothing more. In the box, on the back of the box, we can see the logo here, Martial Emperor YR-03, and there's this lion face here. It's really nice. The crest is really nice. So if we open the box here, this would be the packages. It's very heavy, and the plastic pieces are so much. But before that, we review first the instruction manual. You can see here the same picture from the box art. It says here Martial Emperor from SNAA YR-03. There we can see the parts list. parts list is yep, it's very straightforward. It's like the same from the previous Chinese mecha model instruction manual. There we can see the head parts being built first, followed by the torso and the waist, the arm sections, the leg section, and the backpack. The two backpack. So we got the backpack A and backpack B here. It's the backpack B, and it's up to you whether you like to choose this A or B style backpack, but you can apply both backpacks with the aid of this action-based stand. The backpack B will be attached to the action-based stand, which is not this is what I don't like with the Chinese kits. They make manuals that are incomplete. You can't see the other style of placing the some stuff from the kit, so they keep the owner hanging, something like that. There we can see the beam blades, or not beam blades, but the wushu blade. I really like the blade. Yep. Anyway, let's go to the packages here. Sorry, to be honest, I'm distracted with the music because I really like that song, but the one who's singing is not good. I can sing well, or I can sing better than him. Anyway, let's go to the packages here. We got this gray parts for the wings, and this clear green parts for the circular backpack. It's very nice. Looks nice. Then we got gray parts, dark gray parts for the sword, and I think this one for the inner frame parts. And most of the parts here are pointy, so be careful when building supernova kits. When I say be careful, I'm serious. Be careful, because most supernova kits, or I think all of supernova kits, are pointy, and it can pierce your skin, your finger, and you will bleed. So there we got here red parts here. I really like the shade of red here. There's this bright red and maroon red for the wings, which is very nice. I really like the shading of it. Then we got here clear green pieces and parts for the hands. So this will be your manipulators, but unfortunately I will not use this kind of hand, since I will use the Dallin 1100 hands. There we got this. See, so much pointy parts. This for the wings and the rifle, I think. Then we got here some gray parts for the wings, and I think no, this one I think for the rifle, I bet. Then this gray parts here for the hands, and I think this one for the butt skirt. This gray parts here for the armor pieces. Then we got yellow parts and red parts for the wings, and yellow accents or yellow detailings. We got this very nice clear orange part, which reminds me of the beam effect for parts of Zao Workshop Redeem, which is very nice. Then we got here gray, no, not gray, but dark blue parts for armor pieces. This one, dark gray parts for the inner frame of the legs. Gold parts for some accents. So you've got yellow and you've got gold. And it's very nice. That combination would be very nice. Dark gray parts for this one, I think, for the backpack parts. Then again, this one for the wushu sword, wushu blade. And finally, we got the inner frame parts, or I think this one for joints. And there we got the action-based stand. It's a big action-based stand, similar to the Blade King. So this is a big action-based stand, similar to the Blade King. Yep. And there we got this main effect. So it looks like Gaugaigars here, but what I like here is this is a rubberized, so it will not pierce my finger. And finally, we got this stickers, foil stickers, and this water slide decals. So as always, before we build the kit, let's have a quick runner review. And what I noticed with this kit is there's a lot of things that will happen with this due to the fact that there are so many parts for this kit. And if I'm going to comment on what I feel for this kit is a little excitement and some boringness also because of this so many parts here. Anyway, let's have it review, and I already grouped it by pairs. So we got gray runners here for runner A, and these are your joint parts. And we got here light gray parts for the wushu blade, which is runner R, and there are some armor pieces included. We got here runner D for some big chunky parts here. I don't know which part is this already, but this is runner D. These are gray parts. We got here runner S for light gray parts, runner K for dark blue parts, including the dorsum part of the hands, but you know me, I will not use this since I will use Dalin decal hands. And we got gray parts here, dark gray parts, runner F, two runner F here for I think this one for the backpack. Then we got here dark gray parts, two sets of runner G. We got yellow parts here, runner I, and this is for the detailings of the kit. We got chunky parts here, runner U for the wings, so this is red colored runner. We got here in pairs again, runner M, two pairs of runner M, I mean a pair of runner M. Yep. So these are dark blue parts. So we go here with this pair of runner I. J. This is runner J for clear orange blade parts. So be careful on this blade parts. It's a little brittle. So when cutting this, be aware. And we got pair of runner L. We got two sets of runner L here. Then we got two sets of runner C for metallic gray parts. I think this one for the inner frame. Then we got bright red parts again for the wings. So this is runner Q. And we got maroon parts. I like the contrast of this maroon and red. It uh, really make the kit more colorful because of this combination. So this runner Q and runner P, and we got this clear green parts runner N. So again, be careful, but because this thing is a little no, this is rubbery, no problem. The orange one is the brittle part. So this runner Z for the hands, but we will not use this. Then we got here for the wings, the circular part here, and this big chunky wings here. This is runner B, gray parts. Then we got this runner O, this clear or circle here. So clear green part, runner O. And we got this very fragrant, freshly painted. It smells like a paint. To be honest, this gold here smells good. This runner H, and another gold plastic here, runner T. And finally, we got 2 pairs of runner E for the inner frame parts of the legs. And also don't forget this hair beam or lion mane effect, which looks like Gawegar. And we got this foil stickers and dry transfer decals. Okay, so thank you very much for this unboxing review of Martial Emperor from Supernova SNAA. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care, have a nice day, and Merry Christmas.